This is Amber with WaveRez, and we're going to go over how to increase or decrease the number of tickets that can be booked for a particular departure time. Now, this can be done right from the matrix view for a particular time and date. So, for instance, on this glass bottom dolphin tour, we have 90 places available, but it's currently set to 75. This is going to limit the number of tickets to 75 in total for this particular time, unless we were to change it. So in order to change that from 75 to, say, 90, if we wanted full capacity of the boat, we could change available tickets by clicking on that little square here. And that's going to bring up this, so we can go ahead and change that to 90 and confirm. Now this changes the available tickets to the full 90 available.